Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brocanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be installing some OXILAM LED headlight bulbs in my 2013 Nissan Maxima. So today I'll be installing the OXILAM Q26 9005 H11 combo. This is for model years 2009 through 2014, the Nissan Maxima. Now when you first open up the box, what you get are a set of gloves. Got the product manual that kind of goes through product specs, do's and don'ts, and installation instructions. And of course, the bulbs. Now these LED bulbs are made from aluminum, has an aluminum body through and through, and are supposed to be 400% brighter than halogen bulbs. It also has a total of 16 LED chips, so that's 8 chips per side. It has a total combined brightness of 32,000 lumens for both sets. So each individual set, like low beams, would be 16,000 lumens. Now the color temperature on these are a cool white, which comes in at about 6,500 K, and the lifespan of these bulbs are around 60,000 hours. Now, these are supposed to be able to just fit in without any type of IC or a regulator of some sort. Now, pretty compatible with most vehicles, but in the event that you do have flickering going on, OXILAM also offers these LED canvas that eliminates that flickering. And they come with a set of 2. So if I go to install these and there's some kind of flickering or dimming, then I'd resort to installing these to correct that condition. So I have a set of these OXILAM LED bulbs installed in my 2015 Chevy Silverado. I made a video on that a couple of years ago, and so far so good. I mean, they're just as bright today as they were 2 years ago. So I'm really excited to see how these turn out on my Nissan Maxima here. So I'll have a before and after shot of what these bulbs look like. So with that said, let's start mechanicking. Okay, so the easiest way to access the bulbs is to jack up the vehicle just enough for you to get your hands and access these push pins. Now there's 1, 2, and 3, that one in the back there that you need to remove, and 1 screw down here to be able to peel back this fender liner here to access the bulbs. Once you do that, you just turn the bulbs counterclockwise and pull them out, install the new ones. So it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so right back there, right there, where my finger's at, that's the high beam. What you do is you turn the bulb counterclockwise until like the butt end is at about 4 o'clock. You turn it that way and then you just kind of pull it out. And then you install the new bulb the same way and make sure the butt end is facing 4 o'clock, push it in and then lock it in place. Butt end should be pointed out at 6 and just put the connector back on there. Low beam is that right there. Same deal. You know, just turn the bulb counterclockwise so the butt end is about 4 o'clock and you should be able to pop out the bulb. And when you install it, you know, the reverse procedure. Butt facing the 4th, push it in and turn it down till the butt end there points at 6 o'clock and just push in the connector. Pretty easy to install. All right, so everything's all buttoned down. Let's take her down the road and we'll do a comparison of before and after. Okay, so this is the low beam. Much brighter than the stock halogens. And then that's the high beam. That's the low. So definitely brighter. Huge improvement. Well, gang, that wraps up another project. This concludes the OXILAM LED bulb install in my 2013 Nissan Maxima. I'll have a link in the description below on where you can get these OXILAM LED bulbs. That link will take you straight to the website, and you can enter Brocanic24 on the coupon code, and you can save up to 20% on your purchases. So once again, thanks for checking out the channel. Please like the video and subscribe. I got more projects coming up on this Nissan Maxima. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. This is your Hawaiian Brocanic. Aloha.